Skul Little Star Higher Secondary School, kemudian hak shnong Baridua Ribhoi District, Tyngshain marwei na pening skul bapau ka Them Ri-Bhoi, hak eksam SSLC, pedang pynbna result hynne ka sngi. Kani ka skul kalapau kerteng hak top 20 jong ka result, lyngba uniu khynnah skul, Krishna Koirala, bulawan hak kyrdan ka bakhat nyau na pening top 20. Uniu khynnah olayo distinction haduh southly ki subject. Krishna Koirala uriu khun jong Krishna Koirala basyong basa hak Tyngshain Baridua Ribhoi District. Udah balayo ek kyrdan maningkong hak Meghalaya Chemistry Olympiad kebelapenya deka USTM House nem ahaja R4R. Krishna ola bu kajing kerpat iki para khynnah skul ki bandang ye khun ye kani ke exam bagi de minute top hak kajing pulie badai ban clutch wa ye kajing subha perthai lada phikwa ban ki hak kajing pulie kajong ki ban yo khet yo so bathyang.
Every student studies for at least 6 to 8 hours, and the teachers also they give their 100% in the school, but after they go to their house, what they do that depends on the result. Means their result depends on what they do after they go to their house. How much they study, how much they self-study in their house, that depends. And their result will come out good if they do study well in their house.
Members of Little Star Secondary School. It was the combined effect of our teaching staff and plus the student who has put everything on the track to achieve this position. It is not only the credit for a particular person, but it is a team effort. Until and unless we work together, we will not be able to secure good marks.